I still can't believe that this package is real. What's up everyone? My name is Nathan and here at Project Stuff, I sometimes review esports gear apparel. And recently I made a video about the Fnatic gear. I ordered 2 sweaters which I thought were amazing quality. And guess what? They saw my video and they sent me their new collection piece. Thank you Chris at Fnatic. If you're watching this video, you're awesome. Let's find out what's in this little package and unbox it together. Let's do it. So we have the same brown paper that I saw. I thought it was a cool economical move. I do like packaging, but you know what? I can't really complain. I cannot argue. I think it's cool to have eco-friendly packaging. So, I mean, let's just dig right into it. Oh, wow. Yo, oh, they sent me 2 pieces. He said he was only gonna send me 1. Oh, that's crazy. Dude, Chris, you're awesome, man. Alright, there's nothing else in here. We got the invoice, I think. Well, I didn't pay for it, but this is a dispatch note. Okay, a dispatch note right here. Has my name on it. Doesn't have yours. It has mine on it. Don't be jealous. I'm getting free stuff now. Like, I'm just kidding, obviously. So we got a beautiful cream crew neck, I believe. And we got a t-shirt, a Fnatic t-shirt. This is their new collection. So let's start with the cream sweater because I was expecting a sweater. So this is just the bonus. Like t-shirt is the bonus. Yeah, this is the same amazing fabric. Woo. Yeah, this looks screen printed and cured into the fabric. So you have a really cool pastel pink. Let me show it to you. Maybe on this light, you'll see it better. So pastel pink, almost in the purples and a green here. Very thin. It says Fnatic Worldwide. This is the first time I hear about this appellation, like Fnatic Gear, Fnatic Pro, I guess, and Fnatic Worldwide. Why not? So we got the same orange tag with designed in London here, and I believe this is made in Portugal. So we still have the Fnatic here that I love. This is such a nice detail, and it's a very plain sweater, which I like sweaters like this. Obviously, this is like a 3XL because you know your boy is thick, but there's nothing on the sleeves, which I really like. I don't really like sleeve stuff. Like some brands will use this sleeve or this one for crazy graphics. I'm just not into it. I'm not into it. And we have this beautiful loop back French terry cotton that some people think it's rough, but it's actually the highest quality of cotton. The one that I think will last the longest. And so yeah, this is made in Vietnam, 100% cotton, beautiful quality. So if you want it, if you want to order the same thing, this is the reference, the IP collection V2 sweater Fnatic. So let's take this off. All right, so I don't have anything really much to say. The details are unbelievable. The stitching, everything, there's no default. This is very high quality. The smell is also high quality, believe it or not. There is bad quality smell. And it's just nice. It feels big. I feel like it's gonna be like an oversized sweater, but this is super nice. Let me just fold it a little bit nicer. So this Fnatic Worldwide is very nice. Honestly, those are colors I don't have in my closet. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this. I don't think I have matching shoes or something to match it, but this cream is such a nice color. I like it. I like it. Yeah, let's just move on. I think, yeah, this thing has beautiful stitching. I really like the ribbing here and also the ribbing on the cuffs because it's not too elastic. It's very loose. I'll show you those details when I do the fit and we'll do this at the end of the video. Now, let's move on to the t-shirt. So same colorways. We got some purple, pink, green as well, but this is not a cream canvas. This is a white, so plain white t-shirt. The sweater was cream. This t-shirt is white. Let's unbox it. So interestingly enough, this is my first Fnatic t-shirt. This is my first esports t-shirt. I usually only order like a hoodie or jogging, but never really like t-shirts. So I'm very curious. I have my personal preference in t-shirts. I like my t-shirts with thick cotton and 100% cotton because everything should be 100% cotton. This is the best fabric. So let's just see. Same tag here. Maybe the tag could be a bit smaller, like when it comes to t-shirts. Like you don't want a big tag on t-shirt, probably just on the sweaters. So this might feel a little big, but this is just a detail. Again, with the hem here of the seam just being covered on the Fnatic. This just allows some structure on the t-shirt, the way it falls. It grabs you the back of your neck here. These are cool details. And just let's open it up. So you have like 2 Fnatic logos, and where both cross each other, you have like, it becomes purple. I'm not gonna lie, like those are not my favorite color in the whole world. This is not a color combo I'm used to see, therefore I like it. Because it's unique. It's not the blend black, red, and white that we see everywhere, or the black and white. This is different. This is a different color combination that I'm sure also girls could like. We feel like sometimes the design on esports and gaming, even though the audience are like 90% male, I'm making this up, they don't really attract to the female audience. And I feel like this is almost like a unisex design. Let's see if there's anything on the back. Oh, there's on the back. So on the sweater, we didn't have anything. And on the back here, we have Fnatic. We're letter crossed. It becomes green on this beautiful pink, screen printed again, so no embroidery here, just really high quality screen printing, very high quality screen printing. And the way you can tell is just by trying to stretch it and see how it reacts. It's really, really nice. Like, I don't think this would ever fade away. Oh, we got an embroidery here. So always Fnatic on the left sleeve. Did I miss something on the sweater? Wait, now I'm curious because I know this is their signature thing. Oh yeah, here we go. So I missed it, but it's a toned always Fnatic on both sleeves. So this is always the left one. Beautiful detail that I'm sure now is part of Fnatic's tradition of making clothes. They will always have always Fnatic on the sleeves. On the left one, the right one, so far it's on the left. All right, so let's just put this back aside and see what is this t-shirt made out of. So this is made in Vietnam, again, with a 100% cotton consistency. And now you know, I remembered what I said in the last video. There was one thing made in Vietnam and one thing made in Portugal. And the one thing made in Portugal was a worse quality than the thing made in Vietnam. And what the guy told me from Fnatic is that now they probably make everything from Vietnam. They kept with the Vietnam manufacturer, making beautiful garments. I don't know who are making the Fnatic gears, but honestly, those are really nice cotton. I feel like if I wash this, I even dry it, but don't use a dryer. It will mess up any clothes. Whether it's Louis Vuitton or Fnatic gear, it will mess up your clothes. This will not shrink. This will stay intact. And I think these are good t-shirts. Like, these are good t-shirts from just from the feel, the touch, the thickness, the way the sewing is done. It feels very high end. Like this is, I'm not sure how much it is on the shop, but I would buy this for like 30 to 40 euros maybe. I think that would be a fair price. And yeah, this is really cool. I actually really dig this part, which is like every time the letter crossed, you have a different color. This is really cool, and I'm excited to try them on. So let's cut to the video. I'm gonna put some outfits on with both and show you a little bit what can you do with those clothes and tell you a little bit more about how they fit for a guy of my size. Let's do it. Alright, so I got the t-shirt on and I gotta say it's a little bit too big. If you like oversized, this might be the fit you want, but there is a size difference between t-shirt and sweatshirt. So here, like, I didn't wash it once, so maybe if after one wash, I'll get some sort of like shrinkage. I mean, when I go like this, like obviously I have some extra room here, I have some extra room here, and overall it feels very like baggy, but the feel of the cotton on the skin is very, very nice. Like, you would feel the screen print here a little bit, like it would put a little bit pressure on your skin, but that's totally fine. Like, you get used to it and this will disappear over time. But otherwise, the details, the armhole, I think all that is really well done, as well as the neck hole size. I don't have the biggest neck, but I don't like to be like too tight, and I think this works. I really like this design as well. This design is definitely thinner than this design. Like, this is thick. This holds weight on the cotton, which is fine. But yeah, overall, the fit is, if you like oversized, go true to size. If you want a little bit fitted, if I were to order again, I would take a 2XL instead of a 3XL. So I would definitely size down if I were you. But you take my recommendation, you don't, it's up to you. Now, let's talk about the sweater. So the lighting is a little bit higher for this one because let me tell you about that sweater. It's magnificent. Like, the quality, top notch. The fit, top notch. The cotton, the stretchiness, the swagger you feel inside of it. It's just great. I think this is a great sweater, great quality sweater. And look, the color, I don't know what you think. Tell me in the comments if I can pull off a pink logo on a cream crew neck, but the more I wear it, the more I kind of feel the vibe. I think it's a very underrated color combo, and I think, you know, we should wear pink, you know? So every man should wear pink or have a pink piece, and this is like a little entry-level pink. I don't know how you feel about it and how you felt about the fit I showed you, but this is really cool. It's not too warm. I feel like I could wear it if it's like a little chill at night or just in the spring. These are my favorite cotton These are my favorite fabric, and I already know the size. This is a 3XL. So this is a size up technically for me, because in general at Uniqlo, H&M, ASOS, all those brands that we all have at least a piece of it, I usually go for 2XL. So this is up to you again if you want oversized, fitted, but for me this is perfect. Like, it's a little bit loosey at some part of the sweater, but this is just the fit I'm looking for. And in terms of sleeve, I mean, a little bit, not actually perfect on the sleeve, perfect on the shoulder line, and the way it falls is just great. The detail here is really cool. Always Fnatic, baby. Super happy about this sweater. I could not recommend it more than I actually do. So I hope you enjoyed the fits, guys, and I hope, you know what, support your favorite team, Fnatic or not Fnatic. And if you want me to review your favorite team before making a purchase, I'll be happy to do so. Just comment it down below. I'll see you for the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you for the next one.